I've been working on this project for a while now, on and off, because I have a lot of project I'm working on throughout the house, but I'm gonna try to focus on this one for now until it's completely done. I already started insulated the side and also the top. I gotta add some more insulation on the top, fiberglass, and also in the wall. This did took me a lot of time because underneath this crawl space there used to be clay pipe. I had to take everything out and replace everything with PVC, as you can see in the corner right there. The bathroom gonna be in the back section with a hallway with closet on both sides. I did add insulation throughout the whole perimeter except the bottom. I added a vapor barrier, but between those joists I'm gonna add insulation fiberglass. I did have to add extra joists because the gap previously was too wide, so I add extra joists for better support. I believe those joists were originally 24-inch on center. Now they 12 inches on center. It feels really solid now. The next step for now is to start insulating between the joists. I am using those insulation support to hold the insulation in place because the face gonna be facing towards the floor, and this will hold it so it doesn't fall to the crawl space. I cut it slightly longer than the space and push it into place. Now I'm gonna be putting the insulation in. This is what the process look for now. For the first section, I cut everything to size and fit it in. For the next section, I'm just gonna cut it into length and just curve the insulation slightly. I didn't want to cut this section because the remaining insulation would be unusable. And this is what it looked like on the bottom. The wire supports are doing the job. Now I'm gonna keep going until the whole section is insulated. I got this section fully insulated now. I got this plywood ready to drop in place. It's being held temporarily by this 2x6. I'm gonna apply liquid nail on the joist and then drop the plywood on top. I applied the liquid nail. Now I'm gonna drop the plywood on top. This is what the finished section look like at the bottom. I did add 2-inch insulation foam board to the outside wall and vapor barrier on the ground, and I still have to add foam board on the access door, and I will be done with the crawl space. Now I have to work on the remaining section, add insulation in between the joists. I mark the placement of the stud with a chalk so I don't miss any of them, and now I'm gonna screw it in place. Just screw the plywood into place. It feels solid. There is no wobbling or squeaky noise. I'm gonna be using the same process to finish this section. I'm just a little bit closer to finish this full bathroom that's gonna be in the back and closet on the side. Thank you for coming to my channel.